Yeah, bumaba na kami. On the way na kami sa... Tama naman. Beautiful Yung mga OOTD. Magagambal kami sandali. Para ito. Total bet $3. Naghanap kami ng roulette meron dyan yung isa pa. Naghanap namin yung roulette na ganito yun pabilog. Yeah. So yan, pe-play kami ng roulette. Ayan. So meron kaming $100 na free play kasi tapos okay, enter between amount $20. Confirm 20. Ayun, meron ka na. So, pasok na yung 20. Roulette na. Tapos, 25 cents. Tapos, alam mo na yung first and 12, di ba? Meron ka rin odd and even. Odd number, even number. Meron ka rin black and red. So, dito, antayan mo ito, $1. Pero dito, pwede ka mag 25 cents. Pero ang minimum na mo, $2. Sige, mamili ka ng numbers muna. Kung gusto mo sa numbers. Sige, yan. 25 cents. Kailangan $2 ang minimum, Yan, 75. 75 na yan. $1. Tapos pwede ka rin mag It's up to you kung gusto mo rin mag 125, 50 cents, $1.50.
Pwede yan $1?
Yan, $1.50 pa lang tayo mo. Yan, naka 2 bucks ka na. Tapos, spin. Play. Pindutin mo yung play. Yan. Okay, red. Give us red. Red! Tama ka agad. Win mo $2. Okay. Gusto mo i-keep yung numbers na yan o pwede mong i-clear?
Clear that. I keep it.
Ha?
Keep it.
Keep playing like that? Press mo yan, play.
No more that.
Okay. Another red. Give us red. 23 red. 30 red. Bawi na naman.
Bawi lang. Ano ba yan? Ikaw, ano ba sa'yo? 9.
Wala yung $5 dyan. Sige, play mo na.
No more that.
Dapat slow number. Nag-bet kami ng total bet namin $650. Maliit. Maliit. Tama? Yan, technique, di ba? Naglagay ka ng $5. Okay? Tapos clear mo na naman yung bet mo. Panalo ka na ng $6.
Ay, 25 na.
Pwede rin lagpasan mo. So yan, bankroll na natin is $36. Nag-start tayo ng $20.
No more that.
Come on, second 12. Second 12.
32.
Laki, 32. Red, panalo ka ng red lang. 50 cents. So guys, tayo na yung next. nagpalis tayo sa poker room. So meron ng open seat. So i-name natin. Hintayin lang na tawagin tayo. Hintayin natin 40 bucks. Hintayin natin. Single deck. Baka pa yung magkakad.
Thank you. I use your voice here for your picture. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Vaping allowed at the table? I'm sorry, was vaping allowed at the table? No. Thank you.
This was my size siya, so dapat yan mag-bus. Naku, mo, 11, 6, 14. Dobo.
5.
So,
40.
80 na tayo natin. Dapat yan mabas siya.
That's a good bet.
Yep.
Get that monkey.
Picture.
Good luck.
Picture.
Small one.
Looking
Big one,
good.
big one, big one.
18, 11, 18. Thank you.
Picture dyan.
It should be there. 18 push.
Push lang.
Yes. Push is a win.
Okay, yeah, that's right.
Push is a win.
You ain't wrong about that.
Yeah.
Ngayon sa magto-21, blackjack na tayo. So, no matter what,
Go ahead.
blackjack. Kalahati ng 25. 40.
Like that, you turn it over.
Oh, alright.
That's a natural winner.
Natin to, hold. Ayan, ayan. Kasi kanina yung na-pour off pakain ko, napa-spin ko to. So, pag may lumabas na isang 3 dyan, may chance na mag-spin to. Come on, 3. Wala, 3 off pakain na. Sayang. Kanina, 4 na 4. Come on. 7. Go straight. Going for flush. Hearts. Ayan. Naka-flush ako sa taas. Flush. Ito, flush na. So, hold mo na lang lahat yan. 25 each line. Going for flush. Another flush. Braces. Ito another. So kailangan may heart dyan. Wala. Hold mo na yan. So kailangan natin ng king or a 10. Wala. Yan. Try na naman. So kung may queen dyan, mag-spin yung wheel. Come on, queen. Queen! Walang queen. Ayan yung queen. Come on. 8. Lagi kong nilalaro to kasi pang ano ng oras, pang kill time. Kaya yung maglalaro ka ng iba, ang laki naman ng, alam mo yan. Tapos habang umiinom ng beer, dati nag-yosi pa ako pero in-stop ko muna. So, meron tayong 201 credits. Held natin ang queen to pair. So, flush or straight flush? Flashy, flashy. Straight flush. Come on. Royal flush mo na. Wala naman ang royal flush eh. So yung $20 ko siguro nag-last ng mga 15 minutes. Which is not bad na yun, 15 minutes. Eh, $20 yung pinlay ko eh. Ayun. Full house mo na bro.